Yeah, hi, good morning, everyone.
Hi, Shekhar.
Hi.
Hi, Krishna, hi, everyone. Did you get a chance to subscribe for Azure Free Trial, everyone? Krishna, you did, right?
Yeah, I have already paid as you go.
Okay. What about, yeah, pay as you go, I mean. Abhishek, did you subscribe for Azure Free Trial?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, that is for our free trial only, right?
Pretend only, yes.
Okay. If you don't mind, could you please share our credentials?
Yeah, just
Actually, for previous batch, I have deployed the one fine-tuning model in Azure AI. So they have charged for 1 day 12,000. So it's gone.
Shekhar, as informed earlier, Saturday and Sunday, did you take any backup class for us? Not backup, the regular class which you said you will continue.
Yeah, next week onwards we will continue. Yeah.
No, this yesterday and day before yesterday, did you take by any chance?
No. No, not regular sessions there. They are different sessions. Yeah.
Okay. So
Okay.
we'll be resuming from where we left, right, today?
Yeah, correct. Same thing.
Okay.
Abhishek, can you share your credentials?
yeah, just a second.
Okay, see, today I am going to discuss about what Python sessions. Okay, actually, right, to develop the Python code, we need, what is that? Visual Studio Code. What is that? Visual Studio Code. That is the one. Second one is what? Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so Jupyter Notebook. So these two are very, very popular. Jupyter Notebook provided by Anaconda. Okay, Jupyter Notebook provided by Anaconda. Okay, Anaconda is the one tool. So they have provided what is that Jupyter Notebook. Actually, Python development for Azure AI ML 100% we will go for Visual Studio Code. Other one is what? Jupyter Notebook. Actually, these services provided by Microsoft in machine learning. Okay, so in Azure machine learning, okay, we have to create one virtual machine with full configuration, minimum 8 GB RAM. Okay, I am going to create 16 GB RAM, and the other one is what, 4 CPUs minimums are required. So the moment when you create one virtual machine in Azure ML workspace, it will provide all the tools. Okay, so one is Jupyter Notebook. Okay, other one is Visual Studio Code Editor. Okay, third one is R Editor. Okay, we can develop Java, .NET, Python, any type of coding. You can develop it directly, deploy it into, where is it? Azure Machine Learning Virtual Machine. Okay, guys. Now I want to highlight it. Why? Because most of the development nowadays it is proceeding in Azure Cloud is Azure ML Studio. Okay, so in Azure ML Studio, they are providing full code solutions. Other one is what? No code solutions. Okay, low code solutions. Okay, low code solution. Okay, one is what? No code solution, full code solution, and low code solutions. Okay, so these are three types of solutions which they are providing it, guys. Okay, yeah, next. Uh, Abhishek, yeah, let me. Okay, I'm going to add it. He is unable to take it. Is it?
there is a missing. It starts with ABHI.
Sorry?
Start with A, ABHI.
Okay.
Yeah.
You might have get the code. Can you check one time?
Okay, 1 second.
Okay, yeah. Now, you tell me what is the machine learning. In the demo, we have explained, right? Chakradhar, Krishna, Abhishek. What is the machine learning?
Yeah, correct. The machine learning we can use in a regular activities like uh, we can fix like there is an impact called like human mistakes we can
Okay.
yeah, so that we can resolve and the automated system it is a kind of and in a regular jobs we can go with the machine learning
Yeah,
because yeah. So auto jobs or any kind of bookings or any system monitoring like log
yeah,
monitoring, performance
correct.
monitoring. Yeah, these are the things we can go ahead with
Implement.
the machine learning. Yeah.
Correct. Okay, simply we can say, what is that? Machine learning is a subset of AI. Am I right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, subset of AI. Machine learning, it learns from data. It will learns from data. It will learn from the data. So, uh, and it will improve the performance. Okay, machine learning, it will improve the performance without being explicitly programmed. Okay, without explicitly programmed, automatically it will measure, it will learn from the data and improve the performance without explicitly programmed. That is what machine learning. Code 8814.
Actually, yeah, let's try with this one because I didn't receive a new one. It was an old code.
57.
Okay, this one.
Yeah, okay. Okay, now have a look. So here I am going to create, what is that? First, one ML studio. Okay, first I am going to create one ML services. Then we can create what? One virtual machine. So under that virtual machine, directly you will get all pre-built developer tools. As I said, Visual Studio Code and Jupyter Notebook, etc., etc., guys. Okay, yeah, next. First, if you would like to create one ML service, no, it will create one storage account and one recovery service vault. Okay, third one is application insight. These are the associated services will be created. Okay, we will come these services, let it be. Now go to all services. Okay, we have to point it out. First thing is what? AI/ML. So in AI/ML, we have what? Machine learning, anomaly detector, content moderator, okay, personalizer, BOSH, custom vision, speech services, analytic, computer vision, language services, translator, etc., etc. Now go to Azure Machine Learning. Okay, now create one workspace is there. What is the workspace? Collection of ML projects. Have a look. I am creating machine learning. So here, as of now, there is no any, what is that? Resource group. I am going to create one resource group called RG-ML. Okay, RG means resource group, ML means machine learning. Okay, now what is the machine learning name? My Azure ML. What is the service name I am giving? My Azure ML. So here I am choosing Sweden Central, guys. Sweden Central. You will get all the options, or else you can go for East to West. What is that? East to west. Okay, this is the storage account. Here I am choosing the storage account is what? ML storage 2025. So why? Because your data are going to be stored in storage account so that it is associating with one storage account. We will come into that later. What is the storage account number? Next, click on next. So this is the outbound. Currently, I am pointing about only public guys. All the networks and outbound is public. Encryption, no encryption, identity. It will access the data from other data sources where exactly we will use identity. Okay, now click on outbound. This is the public. Click on encryption. So no encryption at this moment, you can leave it. And identity. See, by default, we are using what? System manager identity, guys. What is that? System managed identity. So what it does now, for example, if this service required to access the data from other data sources. So every time when I initiate the request, this service will ask who are you. As it is using system managed identity, directly we can access the data response back to what is that? Other services. So here you need not pass the credentials again and again. Okay, now click on next, hit on Reddy plus create it. Okay, validation is succeeded. Now click on create it. Okay, so deployment is in progress. Okay, yeah, so it is deploying. Let us wait.
Shekhar, how about this cost for workspace and all?
Sorry?
For workspace, how about the cost pricing?
It is low cost only. Actually, if you deploy any models, no, that would be cost, right? So this is the empty workspace. On top of it, if you deploy any, what is that? Services and all, that will be cost.
Okay.
Okay, for my case, what happened, no? Previous batch, I have deployed GPT 4.0 and the GPT, on top of it, I deployed fine-tuning model. Fine-tuning model, obviously it is cost. What happened, no? I forgot to delete that services. So whatever I got the credentials, no, everything got expired within 1 day, 24 hours. Okay, yeah, now go to resource. Okay, launch the studio. Okay, yeah, Abhishek. Yeah, so now choose it. Okay, so this is the one new, what is that? Azure ML workspace, guys. Okay, what is the workspace? Underlying that we can create n number of ML projects. Okay, yeah, next. First, as I said, right? So this is about what? Notebooks. Notebooks are full code, guys. Notebooks are full code. Auto ML is what? Low code. And the designer, sorry, Auto ML is no code. I'm sorry. Yeah, what is that? Notebooks are what? Full code. And the designer are what? Low code. And Auto ML is what? No code. Okay, so that's why Azure ML is very, 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 very popular. Okay, let us see. First, we have to create the one virtual machine. Where is that? In ML. Okay, you may have queried that. Can we access this VM? No, guys. Okay, so directly how we can create virtual machine and access it over from local and all? No, by default, everything it is in browser based. You can communicate it. Okay, why? Because nowadays in Azure cloud computing, mostly development is happening here only, guys. Okay, installation the tool in our local machine, push the code into GitHub and again retrieve, train the model and all they are also using, but slowly it is getting reduced. Okay, yeah, see, here to deploy what is that your solutions, you can create a virtual machine instance, computer cluster. Other one is what? Kubernetes cluster, attached computer, serverless components. By default it uses the serverless component. By default it uses the serverless component. Let it be. What I will do now, I will create one VM. So see, guys, nowadays, as I said, right, GPU based instance are what? Full demand for Azure AI ML. So choose from selection of CPU or GPU instance pre-configured with popular tools such as Visual Studio Code, Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Jupyter, and R Studio ML packages learning from driven solutions, guys. Okay, are you getting? This is about what? How to choose the studio under. Now, go for compute cluster. So, computer cluster, it will create what is that? Two or more solutions. This we can call it as cluster. On top of it, your application would be deployed. Then it will be helpful. Okay, it will be helpful. Okay, yeah, next. See, create a singular multi-node, what is that? Computer cluster, front training, batch, what is that? Inferencing or reinforcement learning workloads. Okay, yeah, alternatively, you can now run the job without having creating multi-cluster under. So Kubernetes, you know, right? It is high level and high cost. So serverless, it is low cost. Attached computer, you can create attach compute target and manage your platform using Azure Machine Learning. Bring your own computer like HD Insight cluster. This is again high cost, guys. Okay, our virtual machine, Databricks cluster, and all we can consume it. Now I am choosing computer instance. This is the one instance. Now just create it. Okay, yeah, so this is the solution. Have you observed? By default, here it is taking memory optimized 4 CPUs. Okay, 4 cores, and it is taking $0.29 per hour. Okay, so 32 GB RAM and 4 cores, 150 GB storage. See, this is the GPU or CPU. Okay, GPUs are developed by NVIDIA, guys. These are NVIDIA. Okay, so these are NVIDIA. Now what I can do now, click on next. Okay, so even GPU cannot take it. Why? Because this is the costly. Our subscription free trial also it won't support. Okay, let it be. I am giving my Azure ML VM. Okay, my Azure ML VM. I am taking this is the one. Click on next. See guys, if your VM is idle mode for 60 minutes, automatically it will shut down, guys. This is the beautiful feature which they have provided. If VM is in 60 minutes in idle state, automatically it will shut down so that it won't be cost. Okay, yeah, next. Click on next. So this can be access, allow root access, enable single sign-on. Whatever the things are required, you can enable it. But at this moment, I am going with the default. You can use this one. Okay, now click on next. And by default, inbuilt application you'll get. Click on next. Here tags. Tags are name value pairs which will give the information about resource. Okay, here I am giving environment. What is that environment? Assume that this is the production environment. Now click on next. Hit on review plus create it. Just hit on review plus create it. Okay, see, my Azure ML VM is creating. So here it will display guys list of applications. Visual Studio Code. Other one is what? R Studio. Other one is Jupyter Notebook. Okay, still it is creating. It is very powerful. See, develop the instance with a pre-configured popular tools such as what is that? Visual Studio Code, Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, RStudio, ML packages, deep learning. What is that? Frameworks and the GPU drivers. Everything it has been installed. Nice, right? So every time you need not worry about installation, configuration, and all. So that's why I said going forward, you have to purchase GPU based laptop. Okay. Going forward, GPU based laptop, we have to purchase it. Okay, still it is creating. Okay, it is running. Am I right, guys? Abhishek, everyone.
Yes.
Okay, now click on it. Okay, so status is running, created just now, it is succeeded. This is the CPU memory optimizer for our $0.29. Okay, this is the applications, guys. Jupyter Lab, Jupyter, Visual Studio Code Desktop, Terminal, and a notebook. Now go to here, notebooks. Okay, here what is the notebooks they are providing? See, this is also we can call it as notebook LLM, guys. Okay, what is the new in notebook? I use keyword shortcuts. Got it. Discover keyboard shortcut. Use the most checking key bindings panel via hamburger menu and shortcut standard mode and screen reader. Okay, multi-select and skills. See the examples from GitHub. Okay, not sure how to use the method. However, the it can be directly prompt with what? GitHub. I mean, I can integrate with GitHub. Highlight for error lines and all. Okay, now here first you can create the one folder. See, there are three options. Visual Studio Code. Other one is what? Command prompt. Add the file. Refresh. Okay, add the file. Refresh. Okay, yeah. Next, if you want, you can create the, what is that? One folder. Here I am creating one folder. What is the folder name is Python. Okay, Python underscore November month. Okay, this is what? November month. Okay, you can mention November 17th, 11th date I am giving. Create it. Okay, yeah, so Python has been created. Now right click, create new file. So under this folder, create new file, create new folder, upload the files, rename it, duplicate, move, copy the file path, and delete terminal. Open the terminal also, you can open. So when you open the terminal, it will be open. This is the your what is that? Now backend of this VM. What is the operating system it is using? What is the operating system it is using, guys? Can anyone tell me? Just now we created one VM, right?
Ubuntu.
Where did you check? Whatever you said, that is 100% correct. So here, this is the VM which I have created in front of you. Okay. Here, what is that mission? What is the background OS it is running? Inbuilt is Ubuntu only, correct. How can you check? Can anyone tell me? What did I do? Here, right click, click on what is that? Terminal. It is open terminal. Now, how can I check what is the OS? Just type uname. When I type uname, here it is showing Ubuntu, Linux only. To get the exact Linux version, cat etc. What is that? OS hyphen release. Note it down this command. In on-premises also it is same. Okay, so here it is taking what? Latest version Ubuntu 22.04. Actually, latest version is 24, but here it is showing 22 backend they are using. Clear? Now, if I type dir, you can type ll cd, okay, cd forward slash ll. So these are the file system, guys. These are the file system. Okay, backend Ubuntu. Fine. Now again right click. There is a what? Create new file. Okay, here I am creating the file name is what? Jupyter notebook. Okay, here IPYNB in the sense Jupyter notebook. Now I am giving what is that? Variable dot IPNY. Create it. I have created one file. Okay, I have created one file. Okay, yeah, here, see guys, this is the Jupyter notebook, IPNYB. Okay, now if you want to create, what is that, one new file, here you can check the status. I want to choose Visual Studio Code. Now click on, what is that, Python. Okay, so this is the Python. You can use it. So I am giving var, okay, var.py. Now create it.
So these are all the kind of interface we are creating under
Yeah,
notebooks.
so they are giving all the interfaces, whichever you want, you can run it.
Under notebooks, we can only create interface, or what is the role of notebook? Shekhar?
Under notebook, you can create mostly suggested is Jupyter notebook. Okay, Jupyter notebook to run the, what is that, Python code. Got it? Everyone, guys. Okay, if you
Yeah,
observe,
what
see,
is Jupyter?
sorry, this is the
No, what
Jupyter.
is
IPYNB in the sense Jupyter notebook. Jupyter notebook means it is the code editor like a Visual Studio Code. Okay, previous session I have shown you Visual Studio Code, right? That I have installed in my local machine. Python install or run the program. Am I right? Instead of that, here I am using Jupyter Notebook. This is the another code editor where we can write the Python code. Right, guys? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, so here you can write the Python code. I am deleting .py file. So .ipny in the sense what? Where we can write Python code itself, guys. If you want, you can delete it .py file. Okay, now here you can write the Python code. Okay, how can you write it? See, a equal to 10. Okay, I can say name equal to, what is that? Python. Okay, age equal to 29. Okay, next, what is that? Is underscore language. Yeah, true. Okay, is underscore language. Okay, next. Now I want to print the statement. Okay, to print something, you can use print name. Okay, yeah, next print. What is that? Age. Okay, now print is language. Okay, now you can run it here. See, you can run it. See, Python 29, true. Clear, guys?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So this is about what? Variables. What are the variables? This is the string. This is what? Integer. This is what? What is that? This is what? Boolean value.
Boolean.
Okay, yeah. Next. Now, if you want to verify type of variable, also here you can see. What is that? Comma, type of. What is that you need to choose? Name. Okay, name. Here, comma, type of. What is that? Age. Okay, here, comma, type of, or what is that variable? Sorry. Yeah, now rerun it. See, guys, Python 2019, 29, true. This is string integer boolean value. Clear? Chakreda, Abhishek, Krishna.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Now float value I have to declare, right? Float. So, salary. Okay, salary I am giving 29, yeah, 29,500 dot 50 paise. Okay, now here you can print it, copy and paste it. So this is what? Salary. Okay, type of what? Salary. Have you observed, Chakrida, when you are Java people, we have to manually declare the what type of data type it is. Am I right? In
Yeah, yeah.
Python, you need not have to define it. Why? Because
Yes.
this is what? Dynamic typecasting.
Okay, okay.
Okay, yeah. So based on the variable which you have assigned, according to that, automatically it will treat it as okay. This is the float, float, integer, string, and what is that? Boolean value and all. So these are what four important data types are there. If you go for any languages, one is integer, string, float. Other one is what? Boolean value. Okay, strings are mutable or immutable.
Yeah,
Strings are
strings are
mutable or
immutable.
immutable.
Immutable,
Yes,
right?
strings are immutable. Immutable means once you declare it, you cannot change the value, guys. We cannot change the properties of the that variable. So it is the certified interview question. Keep it in your mind. Okay, strings are immutable. Okay, for example, now I am taking another what is that block of code. Okay, so I by default it will take it as what is that define the variable, but I want to take it specific value. In that case, how can I do that? For example, age is there. Age should be accept only integer. Got it? That says we have to define type of variable. How to do that? Integer. How to take the values dynamically from the client? Value should be taken from the prompt. How to do that? input type. You have to use input. Please enter the age I am giving, guys. Okay. Yeah. Next, name. Name equal to what? String. str input. Okay. Please enter the name. Got it? Okay. Salary I am giving. Salary. Salary equal.
Here you are mentioning like input, right? So is that input is a predefined function for Python?
Yeah, exactly. Input and print. These are predefined functions.
Okay, okay. So int of you are doing means that is doing a boxing here, right? That is
Yeah,
conversion.
boxing. Correct. Correct.
That
Okay.
also that function also like predefined only.
Predefined. Predefined.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So that is the advantage of the Python. That's why everyone moving to Python become that popular language for especially AI ML. You know
Yeah, yeah,
OpenAI, right? OpenAI,
yeah, yeah.
all the libraries they have developed in Python only, guys.
Okay.
Okay. Salary is there. Now float. Okay. Input type. Okay. Input type. Uh, please enter the, what is that? Salary. Okay. You can run it. See, enter the age 29. Okay. Yeah. So, enter the name. Run it.
Oh, is it launching UI page itself like the
Yeah.
box
Browser based.
text?
Yeah.
Ha. Okay, okay. So do we need to provide any tags here, like kind of HTML or anything?
Yeah. So that is, Django, Flask to web-based frameworks are there, right? If you
Uh-huh.
want to deploy real application like how we people are using HTML, JavaScript for front end, right?
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
same way here also you can use it. What is that? Flask, other one is Django frameworks for web-based. Here also we can use HTML, JavaScript only, but we have to use the framework called Flask and Django.
Okay. Django means it's a UI integrated one,
Yeah,
is
UI,
it?
yes, correct.
Okay. Like same as .NET or something, right?
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
It's taking some time to run.
Sir, actually, why I have one quick question. So, how about the market regarding the Python and Azure AI things actually nowadays? So, how
Yeah,
about the
Azure.
packages or what about the scope of it in the industry? So,
Yeah, Azure AI ML has lot of demand in the market, guys. But as I observed, current package they are not exceeding more than 40 lakhs, guys.
sorry, come again, please.
More than 40 lakhs. They are giving maximum 40 lakhs per annum.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, that is what I observed current trend. For even though you are Gemini AI ML and all, maximum they are giving 40 lakhs. But
Any experience also, right?
sorry,
Even any experience.
for experience only.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So this is about what? How we can do that now. Name Python. Okay. Submit. It will happen. Okay. Yeah. Next, add the another code. Okay. So this is the float. Run it. Okay. Here I can say enter salary 29,000 dot 50 paise. Apply it. Okay, applied. Now, you can now print age. Print. What is that? Name. Okay, print salary. Now it will display all the values. Say age 2019, 29, and what is that? Name Python. Okay, salary is 29,000, 5 paisa. Right, guys. So see how I am articulating the code in Jupyter Notebook. Clear? For AI ML, mostly they are using Jupyter Notebook and Visual Studio Code, guys. So Jupyter Notebook, mostly we will use it in real time. Okay, 50-50 chances. Okay, got it? Yeah, next. These are what? Variables and data types. How we can convert explicitly based on input particular specific data type. This we have to use like this. Clear, everyone? So same way, what I can do, no? I can create one file with what is that? Py. Okay, so this is the py. I am giving where. Create it. See here tabs are giving, guys. Directly you can use it. It is beautiful. Now have a look. I am copying total this code. Okay, go to Python. It is loading, paste it. Okay, now run it. There is a run directly. It is giving. It will open it in terminal. See, it is opening it in terminal. Okay, Python var.py. Okay, so this is the one, guys. Are you getting Python 2019 true? Now what I will do, no? This is the one file. Now try to create another file. New file. Okay, here I am choosing what? Python data types. Data type.py. Create it. Okay, I am copying the code here. Already we executed. Okay, now copy. Go to data type.py. Okay, paste it. Now, so this is the, see, observe here, guys, both the ways we will use it in real time. Okay, paste it. Other one is what? We see salary. Okay, salary. Now I am copying all these print statements. Okay, data type.py. Okay, paste it. Now, how to run it? There is a what? Terminal, right? Here we have terminal. Now click clear the window. Clear the window. dir. See, we have one file. Type ln. It will display list of files. Okay, data type.py. This is the file, guys. Now Python. Okay, data type.py. Hit enter. It's not showing. Okay, we will run it directly. Okay, just run it. See, it is asking the age. Okay, what is the age? 39 I am giving. Okay, name Sekhar. Okay, what is the salary? Like 59,000 dot 55 paise. See, guys, it is displaying. Clear, everyone? For example, run it same thing. Age, that is integer. If I give like Sekhar, what is that, guys? It will throw an error or it will get execute. Anyone? Age. See,
Error.
the moment when you click on it, directly it is throwing an error. Got it?
Yes, yes. So it's directly in the Azure portal. This terminal is AI
Yes,
terminal.
in
This one.
Azure only, correct. That's what they are providing beautiful functionality in real time. We will use
Okay.
these kind of things only, guys.
So do we? So can we do it from command prompt? Any kind of possibility?
Command prompt in the sense
No, no, no. So Windows command prompt also we have, right? So that type we can do. Or
that is our local, right? This is in
ha
cloud.
ha ha ha. Yes,
Are you
yes,
getting?
yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Got it, got it. Okay. Okay.
Okay. In last session, I shown you, right? I have install and configure the Visual Studio
Yeah, yeah.
code and install the Python. Directly, I have shown you one example, same example. Yeah. Clear, Abhishek? You got it right, Chaitanya?
Yes, yes.
Right? Try to practice this method, guys. In real time, we will use this kind of method only.
Okay. Thank you.
So how about Python market actually? So what is the demand for it actually? So
Now,
can we get
Python
in?
has high demand in the market, guys.
Okay.
100% you should know basics. I am telling you basics, guys. Why? Because mostly all the cloud they are coming with no code solution only. Low code, no code solutions. Okay, so develop the each and everything from the scratch. It is also cost for organizations, right? Nowadays,
Mm-hmm.
companies always focusing on reducing the cost, reducing the cost. Every rupee they are countable.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, so no code solution, minimum you should know basics of the Python, guys.
Okay.
That's why
Okay.
I'm telling basics of the Python only. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
So already whoever is check already working like .NET, Java and all, they can easily understand only syntax will get changed. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Check with
Mm.
yes.
No, but so if we want to learn any kind of new things, right? Additional of Java, so that I'm
Mhm.
just thinking. So either I can go with Python, or either I can any cloud with Python, or any UI side things. I'm
Yeah,
just
this is
checking
the
that.
cloud with Python, Azure with Python only, right? So,
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
okay.
Shekhar, so these in one workspace under one notebook, all these files will be creating. But if we have to create multiple notebooks, is that possible?
Yeah, you can create a number of things. See, once you have created your directory, right? Underline that, create as many as you want. Got it? Okay, that's what I created two files. One is where and data type. Each and everything I will try to deploy it under this only. So later what I will do, no, I can download it. I will upload it into Google Drive link. You people can do that. Okay, so there is a download option is not there. Upload, create new file. Should be download. Okay, files can be downloaded. Yeah. So there is a data type is there, right? I can download this. See data type.py is there, right? Yeah, I can download it. So this you can open it in your local machine. Here. See it is displayed. Nice, right? So in future, what I will do now, I will download this entire folder. You can download it. I will check, guys. Upload folder is only there. Yeah, I will try to download total. Then we will upload into Google Drive link. It is future purpose. It will be helpful for you. Okay.
Shekhar, actually, I'm not from this background. Just wanted to understand. So, what is our concept now by creating these files?
I am
What
teaching
is
about
the
Python basics. That's it.
okay, okay? But in real time, what it does, and when we use all these under notebooks
Yes,
in
under this
ML Studio.
notebook. Yes, ML and AI, no, you should know all these things. Why? Because So for AI engineer doesn't require guys, but Python basics are required. So see, this is the ML, what is that? Machine learning model, right? Once you have deployed into our cloud, so it will give you the API, right? So this API you should share with the developers. Developers can consume it in their application. Java, .NET, PHP, Python, and all.
You mean creating or deploying this API, Shekhar?
Yeah, that all we have to take care, correct.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the Python basic which I am explaining, which will helpful when you call it out APIs, how to consume these services and all. Minimum Python basics are required. That's what I am explaining about Python basics. Okay, nice.
Yeah, quick thing, sir. Actually, so if we learn these things, right? So what we can call the role of it? Actually, the job role, AI
Azure
engineer.
AI ML engineer only. Azure AI
Azure
ML
AI.
engineer. Yeah.
Okay. So, can I get the cloud things? So, can I put a weightage saying that so I have a cloud experience also? So, like
Yeah,
that, can
yeah,
I?
yes, why not? Correct. You have to mention the I had experience on cloud, Azure, as well as AI, ML, Gen AI, and all. You have to mention these keywords. Then only your resume will get shortlisted. So
No, no, no.
nowadays,
Can you please come again?
yeah, Azure cloud. You should mention Azure keyword, Azure cloud, Azure AI, ML,
Okay.
and the
Okay.
Python's language. These keywords you have to mention in your resume.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, few of the things are like Gen AI, agentic AI, agents. These keyword also should be appear in your resume. Then only
Yeah.
your resume will get shortlisted. First thing.
Yeah. No. No. Actually, if I put Python, right, they may expect Django and everything, right?
Nothing, bro. So Python developer that is totally different. Here we are using AI ML engineer. You should know
Okay.
basics. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. So can I get into the complete deep dive of for the AI ML
ML,
engineer
correct.
then?
Yes, yes.
Next,
Complete deep dive of
okay,
AI ML. Correct.
okay, okay. So within 60, like after like 60 days or it's 90 days course?
Yeah, it is 60 days course. We will complete it. So Python, we will complete it basics and all within another 5 to 6 sessions. Then we will move forward. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
But you should land into AI, guys. No alternative. 100% whichever the technology you are in, 100% you people should land into AI. That's it.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, that's what actually I'm just feeling because
Mm.
anywhere, right? So I just did a transition for the job.
Mm.
So everybody expecting the cloud actually there. So actually I don't have a cloud knowledge. So that's why
Yeah.
I'm just getting to acquire the cloud things. So that's why I'm just looking.
Okay. Okay. Sure, sure. That's what I will take care about each and everything. You need not have to worry. Okay.
Okay.
But do practice it every day, whatever I am explaining. That is more than enough. So now I am teaching total full code solutions, guys. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Tomorrow we'll connect back. Bye. Have a great day. Take care.
Sir, one thing, Llama is an agent or what it is? You have explained.
Llama is the meta, you know, right? Facebook,
Yes.
Instagram, WhatsApp. They people given the Llama, large language meta AI. So their product we are calling it as Llama models.
Oh, is that AI
AI
agent like
models
that?
only. Yes. How we have
AI model.
OpenAI, right? Meta
Uh-huh.
also they came up with Llama models.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. You know, right? How we have ChatGPT, how we have Copilot, how we have Perplexity. We also have Meta.ai. How many
Yeah,
of
yeah,
you
yeah.
know?
Yeah, yeah. So the ideally the mechanism is same
It
for
is same.
everything, but
Yeah, same.
organizations are different, right?
Different, that's it. Same,
No.
right? If
Okay.
you want to purchase one laptop, we have
Hmm.
Dell, we have Lenovo, we have IBM, we have
Hmm. Hmm.
HP. Multiple brands are there, right? So which one would you like to use suitable for your application, your requirement? Then you'll go and purchase it. Same way, Based on their business requirement, they will go and apply it.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Tomorrow I'll connect back. Bye. Have a great day. Take care.
Yeah.
Yeah.